In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a child page in Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your account dashboard, and then over here on the left, you want to go to your space, and under content, you'll find your pages. So for me, I have a few of them over here, and this one is the parent, the main page over here, okay? If you want to create a child page for this one, you can hover over it and click on the plus button, and then from here, click on page. Now, a new one is going to get created, and as you can see, it's basically a child page of this tutorial page over here, and I basically just clicked on the plus button and added it that way. So you could do it as many times as you want, and of course you can keep adding child pages under a parent page. You could also move them in there, so if you click on create over here and you create a new page which is a parent page like this, you can simply click and then drag it in here. So just drag over your parent page and it's going to get moved into there, and it's going to become a child page of that page you dragged onto. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.